Good morning, everybody. Today we're tackling a real business challenge for UPSA, a French pharmaceutical leader in over-the-counter medicines exporting to more than 60 countries. The challenge today is that everyone wants something different. For example, a manager in France drills into a single brand's performance, another one prefers a big picture view, and senior leaders want instant answers at the country level. Multiply that across regions, and developers end up building endless versions of the same analysis. So why is this a big deal? It's a big deal because the fragmented setup depicted above causes extra effort for developer, inefficient teamwork, limited scalability, and delayed insights. The solution is Tableau Next. Instead of relying exclusively on pre-built dashboards, users can simply ask questions in plain language, like what's driving our sales in France, and get instant and personalized insights. Developers gain efficiency by reducing redundant development efforts. Business teams achieve flexibility with personalized data exploration. And finally, leadership obtains speed with instant access to critical insights. In order to facilitate future interactions with concierge, the semantic model has been configured by defining business preferences. For instance, the specified business preferences enable concierge to use the appropriate fields to answer questions more efficiently. A critical aspect in this very project is the ability to provide country-specific insights, particularly for products sold exclusively in Italy. With the semantic model configured, we have created an overview dashboard from an anonymized dataset that includes trends analysis, as well as sales country breakdown and quantity country breakdown, breakdown by population, and as well as top-bottom products. But to address the business pain point, we have finally used Concierge for the demonstration. Let's use Agent Force. And let's dive into our first use case. The first example is about top management insights with the search for the cause of sales declines. Top management wants to quickly identify poor sales performance between 2024 and 2025. So they could ask questions such as, what are the three countries that perform the worst in sales between 2024 and 2025? After a few seconds, Concierge returns the list of countries along with the corresponding figures. The second question could be about Congo, and using the market field, which markets in Congo had the poorest sales performance between these 2 years? Great! Concierge remains capable of answering our question, enabling us to more specifically target the issue. The final question could be, what are the three products in Congo's cold and flu market that experienced the largest decrease in sales from 2024 to 2025? Finally, from these results, departments can now take action to adjust production, sales, or investigate the root causes of the decline. Let's have a look at our second use case. The second use case is about a country manager focusing on Italy. He may only be interested in the best products sold exclusively in Italy. Question they could ask includes, can you give me the list of products sold exclusively in Italy? Thanks to the semantic model configuration, Concierge is able to retrieve these products. Then we can ask Concierge with, can you show me the sales for those products? Great. And finally, give me the sales difference for January 2024 and January 2025 for this product. Finally, each user gets exactly what they need, brand, company, or country, without new calculations or iterations from developers. To wrap up, the business challenge is different users, different requirements. Tableau Next finally solves this with AI-driven and standardized and scalable insights, and the result is faster insight, reduced cost, higher adoption globally, while still allowing local flexibility. With Tableau Next, we moved from managing complexity to delivering value. Thank you.